Welcome to another shop update. It's Saturday, May 9th, and I wanted to give you a shop update. This week was a fairly busy week, but it was more planning and logistical versus actually building anything. I will give you a quick update as to what I've been doing for the Austin Tech Build project. Primarily, what I spent a lot of time this week was planning for shop expansion and organization, plus making some videos. I put out 2 new videos this week, one of part 3 of the Austin Tech Build, and I also put out a video on how I cut my raw steel with my miter saw. So go check those out if you haven't. There'll be a link in the description and maybe somewhere up here. Also, you'll need to excuse the mess. Yesterday and today, I have pushed the shop into organized chaos. It is filthy and there is lumber everywhere. So please pardon that. I am in the process of completely reorganizing all of my lumber and my shop in general. So you're gonna see a lot of stuff. All right, so as you come in the back side bay door, this is where I do all of the work at this point. As you can see, there's just hardly any organization and stuff everywhere. So I need to fix that. I need to make more shelves, I need to do some storage solutions. So I've got my exhaust fans up here, toolbox. This needs to be figured out. It's a windy day today. This is my assembly table. And then over here by the bay door is the chop saw station and all the clamps moving around. I'm gonna put my bandsaw over here. The jointer, all this wood over here is gonna get put somewhere else. This wood right here is just backlog inventory. It will get moved and organized, and that is on the ticket for this weekend. So I've got projects on the go currently. So here I've got my 7 table build bases, just waiting to be finished. Got my off-cut wall. More lumber. I have no shortage of lumber. So this whole wall over here, I believe, is going to be lumber from this window to the front door here. All this stuff needs to go somewhere. My steel is going to be stored here because it's the tallest point of the shop that I can easily access. More stuff in front of the door. This is where I'm going to build the loft that you're going to see in the video. And then moving along, I'm going to go vertical with this storage. The bandsaw is going to get moved. All this business right here is going to get moved. Just going to go here. And so hopefully within a couple of weeks, this is going to be a nice organized shop. Yesterday was a big day in the shop. Laura and I got a lot done. Let me show you. So over here, starting with the scrap lumber wall, we made it as tall as it can go in the shop before it hits the gusset supports. And this is all the small scraps. We made this vertical lumber storage wall for all of this. I have a small amount of lumber. So the plans for today, if there's time, is going to be moving this stack right there and moving these slabs right there over here. Because in this section we're going to be doing a loft. Levels, Jerry, levels. There's going to be an upper section, hence the loft, and then below it is going to be bench top, work area, storage, anything I need it for. It's messy now, but just wait. It's going to be better. Well, thanks for watching the shop update. I know it wasn't very long, but it was an intro to the shop organization that I'm doing that's long overdue. So stay tuned for the next videos, which is going to be the lumber wall and the loft build, as well as a final walkthrough once everything's done. Thanks for watching. If you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It really helps me out a lot. Hit the like button on the video. Go watch some of my other stuff. And hit the bell notification, because every time I put out a video, it'll let you know if you do that. So thank you so much, and we'll see you in the next one.